Hey everybody, I got the new the new kit from Illustrated Faith, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you. So it came in this cute packaging, and here is a really pretty ribbon that we can use for layering, for texture, for different fibers, and certainly for ribbon making. And I just love it. It's white with little black and white, black crisscrosses on it. And then it has this really pretty card on it that has the thank you note from Shauna and a sneak peek for next month. It's got the color swatches, and that's just so pretty. So you can use that to frame, you can use that as a tip-in, you can cut out pieces, you can make tabs out of it if you want to cut it up. I don't know that I want to. That's so pretty. So let's see what's on the inside. I love the sound of crinkling paper. Okay, so this is just so pretty. I'm excited to get it. The Joy Journey. This is the sticker, and here is a little cardstock square. And this theme is kind of graphic, it's colorful, it's very pretty. This is by Allie Brown, and what a pretty washi tape. Oh, I don't want to just tear it because it's just too pretty. It's just too pretty to tear. There, maybe I can do that. Do that. Then I can poke. Ugh, it's in there. That sucker's in there. Okay, now I can open up this washi. That washi was secure. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Okay, how do I open it? Here we go. This is, here we go. Just want to open that up for you. Oh, it's a very, whoops. It's a wide washi tape, and it's kind of thin, kind of translucent. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay. So here are some, these are the clear pieces. This kit is just almost too pretty. Boy, those are in there. Almost, what I was saying, almost just too pretty to use. Okay. So all these clear pieces that you can use. They do have a film on them, so you want to remove that film when you use them. See that? Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And they're very pretty. Very pretty. I love the watercolor look for these. The graphic look. Oh my goodness. These are just gorgeous. Do I keep saying that? Can I just say it again? These are just gorgeous. Look at those. Wow. I saw Lindsay's unboxing, and I'm still just flabbergasted by how pretty these are. So here is a really fun number stencil. And then look at that pretty piece back there as the backing. Look how pretty that is. Keep your packaging, because you can use those for smushing and shaker pockets. And this stamp set. with the floral pieces. I'm on a joy journey, I believe who you say I am. Oh, I love that song. And then some texture pieces, joy. Here is, let's see, these are some clear stickers. Not quite clear, but they are thin, a little bit translucent, a little bit opaque. Oh, they're kind of glossy. Oh, yes. Neat shapes. Look at those words. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. And then the, wow, that's a cool feeling. Okay, the joy journey. I'm gonna have such fun with this. It's so soft. And then it gives, this is the devotional. Okay, now the physical kit is actually sold out the entire kit, but you can get bits and pieces. So you can buy the devotional booklet by itself for $9, and I'll have all these linked. You can get the stamp set individually for $15. You can get the sticker sheet for $4 individually. You can also get the digital kit, which is printable, and that has some other printables, and that is for $9. So all those are linked below, and you can check those out. Thanks for joining me. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come back and join me. Thanks. Bye-bye.